5 minus 5 equals 0. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 0 times 0 equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of subtraction operators present and we have a multiplication operator present too. According to the rules, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, so we must solve multiplication first. 5 times 5, that leaves us with 25. Our expression simplifies to 5 minus 25 minus 5. Now we have two subtraction operators present here. And according to the rules, when you have two subtraction operators present in an expression, you must work from left to right. So we solve this side first. 5 minus 25, that leaves us with minus 20. And minus 20 minus 5, that gives us negative 25, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.